Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's countdown to Christmas video, I am going to be bringing you a makeup tutorial on this holiday look right here. Now obviously when I think of classic holiday makeup, I think of warm brown tones, gold accents, and obviously a bold red lip. I am so excited to be bringing you this makeup look today, you guys, because it is so easy. It's so simple. So I really hope that you're excited. I'm gonna be chilling in my robe this whole video, so I hope that you don't mind. And if you guys want to find out how to achieve this look for yourself, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, starting off, we are going to go ahead and prime the skin. I am using my Fenty Beauty Primer. For foundation today, I decided to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I have really been enjoying this one, you guys. It's really nice from the drugstore. Per usual, I'm going to conceal like half of my freaking face with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And once I'm done blending it all out, I will obviously set it with a translucent powder. For the eyes, I'm going to start by using this shade called Necessary from the Friendcation palette, and I'm going to just buff this all into my crease. And then for a pop of color, I'm taking this yellowy mustard shade from the Jaclyn Morphe palette and doing the exact same thing. Going back into the Friendcation palette, I am using the shade Churro, and I am just going to begin to buff this in to my crease, lower than the other two colors, and then I'm going to start kind of placing this as if I'm doing a halo eye. So I'm going to blend it down onto my outer and inner corners as well, really focusing on blending this one out, you guys, because this is going to be like our primary shade. I went ahead and cut half of my crease, and now I'm just taking that same Churro shade and I am just really blending out the edges so everything is nice and seamless. Jumping into the shade called Cheens, I am using a smaller fluffy brush for this, and I'm really just going to focus on deepening up the outer corner. So I'm kind of like placing this in like a C shape, like cupping my outer corner, making this a very round look. Really focusing on keeping this nice and low in the crease and really buffing it into my lash line as well. And then of course going back in with the Churro shade and just really blending those edges out. Now I'm going to take the shade called Just a Kiss, and it is my favorite one in this whole palette, you guys. And I'm just going to stamp this all on my lid. This shade is absolutely beautiful. Next, I'm going to do a thin little line of liner just to kind of help my falsies blend a little bit better. And for falsies today, I am going in with the Velour Whispie Sweet Nothings. These are a personal favorite of mine, and I think they just really complement this look very well. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my waterline with a nude pencil. And then taking that Cheens shade, and I'm going to push this nice and tight to my lower lashes. And then just taking a little bit of that same shade on that fluffy brush and really blending this out so the line isn't, you know, harsh. Make sure you really connect the lower lash line as well as the upper lash line together, as you see me doing right there. You don't want any blank spaces. I'm using that same brush and I just dipped into the shade Churro, and I'm just going to buff that out even more. And then I decided I also want to take that yellow shade that I used in the beginning and just buff it out one final time to really blend everything all together. I'm going to go ahead and contour my face using the Benefit Hula bronzer. And then for bronzer today, I'm going in with the Colourpop bronzer in Golden Moment and just really warming up the skin. For blush, I'm using the shade Amaretto from the Jaclyn Hill and Becca little face palette thing. And then this should come as no surprise, but I am using the Amrezy and Anastasia highlighter all over my face. For my nose highlight today, I'm going to just do like an exclamation point to really kind of snatch the nose, and then I'm also going to throw it in my inner corners. We are going to lock this all in place with the Urban Decay setting spray, and girl, I look glowy. And then to top it all off, the best Christmas red lipstick you can possibly have this year, I am going in with the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncensored. You guys, I'm obsessed. It's beautiful. And there you have it, guys. This is my classic holiday makeup look all complete. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!